Hello guys, my name is Kaushal Patil and today's date is 2nd of September 2K21. So our today's video topic is exception handling. So let us first discuss what we are going to cover in our today's topic. So first of all we will see what is exception. Then then we will see the types of exception. Then after that we will see some techniques of exception handling and how it can be handled. So let us start with what is exception. So basically exception is exception in Java is an event that occurs during the execution of the program that uh, that disturbs the normal flow of the instruction is called as exception. This is generally an unwanted or this is generally an unwanted and generally an unwanted event which can occur either at compile time or runtime in application code. So this is called as exception. So mainly there are two types of exceptions. They are checked exceptions and unchecked exception. So basically the check type of exception are the exception that checked at compile time. In if some code within a method throws a checked exception, then the method must either handle the exception or it must specify the exception using throws or exception keyword. And the unchecked exception, these are the exception that are not checked at compile time. In Java, exceptions under error at runtime exception classes runtime exception class are unchecked exceptions. Everything else under throwable is checked. They can be handled by using try and catch keyword. So in unchecked exception, there are some other types of exceptions. They are arithmetic exceptions, array index out of bound exceptions, string index out of bound exception, null pointer exception. So arithmetic, let us first discuss about arithmetic exception. These are the exception which is given when let us take an example. When we will take an output for 5 by 0, then it will give arithmetic exception. Then array index out of bound exception. When when we ask for a index which are not available in the array, then it will give array index out of bound exception. Then string index out of bound exception. It when when we ask the index which is not present in the string, then it will give string index out of bound exception. So in this way there are uh, exceptions are divided. So let us move on to some keywords and techniques used in exception handling. So the first of all is try and catch keyword. In this in try, whenever we think that there will be exception in some code, then that code should be written in the try block, and after every try block it is necessary to give the catch block. In that catch block, it depends upon us whether we want to give some output or not, but it is necessary to give catch block. In if it can be possible that we can give one try block and more than one catch block, but it is not possible to give uh, many try block and single catch block. So this is, in this way we can handle exception. This is all about exception handling. Thank you.